Alright, so we got our new toilet here. So, another thing I noticed, this is a chair height. So it's it gives you the dimensions, stuff on the box. So, this is what you want to make sure that you have space here. And then this one that tells from the floor to the top of that bowl. 16.5 inches. The toilet I just replaced was about 14 inches. So be mindful of that. You're probably going to need to get a taller hose if your hose is like right, just the length needed to go from there to there. So you're probably going to need to buy another hose as well. So that means another trip to Home Depot for me because I forgot that. So we're just going to unbox this here. See what we got going on here. So we got the bowl, looks like, here on top. So we're gonna grab that. Get that out. Not the bowl. The tank right here. So pull that out. Put it to the side. Okay. Got a wax toilet gasket. Plated steel bolts included. Okay. Once again, I use my own stainless steel bolts that I ground down. So I think the stainless steel are better. If you ever have to replace something, there's some paperwork and instructions. No. Let's see here. So the thing is packed in here with straps. So. Cardboard. And let's see here. There's a lid here. So the lid with the parts to it. Put that aside. And grab the toilet here. Lift it out of here, hopefully. With lifting with the back, out with the knees. Not super heavy, probably about 50 pounds. Okay, so that was it. All in the box there. So yeah, that's the new Kohler toilet, which forget which one it was even, but oh, it says it's the Cimarron Complete Solution Toilet, PB toilet, 1.28 gallons per flush. So that's what it, and it's in white. So I guess that's the kind it is. So, there, that's the unboxing of the toilet there. And so there it is. It's the rounded bowl, not the elongated one. And there's a toilet seat there. So, yeah, I think now we're just gonna go ahead and install it. So I'm gonna clear my space there and then we'll be right back.